Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from Din 5A and today we will be presenting about the effectiveness of Easy Insurance website. Before we start, let me introduce my team members. My name is Nurul Yasmin binti Yussof. My friends Nur Nadira binti Muhammad Puad, Nur Adriana Nadira binti Azman and Nur Humaira Bt Hambali.
So for the content, we have introduction, questionnaire, linear graph, pie chart, histogram and also group bar chart.
For the introduction, since the first insurance contract dating from over 600 years ago, the basic model of how insurance companies work has remained unchanged. Many people do not understand the condition of the contract and they are not confident about the insurance product offered will satisfy their needs completely. Online-based insurance can bring in various markets because of the extensive discovery done by a client each time they visit the website.
So for the second introduction, the Easyins website is focused to help consumer to compare product of insurance and to help consumer to find a different type of insurance company at one time. We focus on 4 insurance company that have 4 type of product, which is life insurance, saving and investment, property insurance and also motor insurance. We choose these 4 type because they are high priority product in daily life.
Feedback questionnaire was given after this website was established. This is to test the level of effectiveness and efficiency of public in finding information related to various types of plans. In fact, this Easyins website can save time in finding insurance-related information. Easyins can also connect consultants and consumer easily without confronting each other.
These are the questionnaire that was distributed to the public by Google Form. A total of 50 respondents were collected. This questionnaire aimed to find out about the effectiveness of the website that has been created. There are 8 questions that we put in our questionnaire.
Alright, so a linear graph, also known as a line chart, is a type of chart that will display information that are connected by a straight line segment. Sometimes we will see this line chart often for a time series, but today I'm going to do it with the Likert scale question. So let's have a look at this line chart. For the blue line, it will represent for the statement this website is easy to use, and the red line for this website have a clean and simple presentation. So we will start with the blue line. The percentage for the strongly disagree and disagree remain constant, which is 2% for both. Then the percentage rising to 18%, which is respondent are neutral about this statement. Next, it keep increasing to 40%. That is respondent are agree with the statement, and it dropped a bit to 38%, which is other respondents strongly agree with the statement. Alright, so for the red line, we can see there's no respondent choose strongly disagree, but there is 6% of respondent disagree with the statement. Then the respondent that are neutral a bit increase, which is 8% in total. Then we can see the percentage of the respondent that agree dramatically increased to 42%, and it steadily increased to 44% of respondent that are strongly agree with the statement. So the conclusion, as you can see, this line chart is easy to use and easy to read, and you can see very clearly this line chart is rising or dropping.
So this is the pie chart that represents the data that we already collect from the feedback questionnaire. The statement for this graph is, the homepage clearly directs me toward the information I need. As can be seen in this graph, as many as 2% of respondents choose strongly disagree with this statement about the effectiveness of Easy Insurance website to people. The percentage of respondents from strongly disagree to disagree increased to 6%. Following that, the chart appears to be increased dramatically with 14% of respondents choosing neutral on the statement. Then, the percentage increases significantly with 38% of respondents that choose agree, and finally, the percentage of respondents increased slightly to 40% that choose strongly agree. The next question is, this website provides useful cues and links for me to get the desired information. Based on the graph, as many as 6% of respondents have been choosing to strongly disagree and disagree with this statement. After that, the percentage goes up slowly to 12% of respondents that are neutral with this statement. Then, the percentage of respondents from neutral to agree increased significantly to 36%. Finally, the graph shows that the percentage of respondents increased slightly to 40%, means that the majority of people strongly agreed with the statement about the effectiveness of Easy Insurance website.
In this slide, we did a feedback about the effectiveness of Easyins website. This is a histogram for feedback questionnaire. The question is the link at this website are well maintained and updated. As shown in the histogram, we can see that it started with one respondent is strongly disagree with the statement and it commencing to increase to neutral. Next, the graph seemed to grow significantly from agree to strongly agree. Furthermore, I can see that the graph is rocketing rapidly to an agreed scale. The reason is respondents agree that the link at this website are well maintained and updated. The next histogram is for the question I can find the information I need in this website. As shown in the histogram, we can see that it started with 2 respondents are strongly disagree and it commencing to disagree when 3 respondents disagree with this question. Next, the graph seemed to grow significantly from neutral to agree. Furthermore, the graph remains stable from agree to strongly agree when the total responder, which is 80 respondents, are agree and strongly agree. We can conclude that most respondents agree that the Easyins website is effective.
Before I begin the explanation on this graph, let me tell you what is grouped bar graph. So grouped bar graph, also called clustered bar graph, it is represent discrete values for more than one item that share the same category. The grouped bar shows 2 statements for effectiveness of Easyins website from scale ranging 1, which is strongly disagree, to scale ranging 5, strongly agree. What we can see, the name of our bar chart is statement of Easyins website. Down the vertical axis, we have the number of respondents, and along the horizontal axis, we have the scale ranging. Also, we can see that the information is provided for 2 statements. We have got the first statement is I am satisfied with how easy it is to use this website in blue color, and I am comfortable with this language used in red color. It can be seen that the statement I am satisfied how easy it is to use this website fell slightly from scale ranging agree to neutral. If you look at the statement I am comfortable with the language used, you will notice that the respondent increased dramatically from scale ranging strongly disagree to scale ranging agree. Overall, we can see the number of respondents seem to have level of in both of the statement, which is I am satisfied with how easy it is to use this website and I am comfortable with the language used.